Alright, let's do a quick update on crypto.com. So we are right now in decision time. We're about to make a very critical decision about whether we are breaking bullish again for crypto.com or whether we are breaking bearish. So just to start with, you can see that we have had this nice little uptrend since the 22nd of January. We are now below that uptrend, and if we zoom out, you can see this 618 is over here at 45.2. And we have now broken below the 45. So while we are below the 618, I really can't be bullish for this coin. We are above the 200-day though, so we are very indecisive right now. We have had insane growth for crypto.com. We have bounced on the 200-day, but like I said, we're below the 618, so we're very, very neutral right now, and we're about to make a very hectic decision. So I'm not saying that we're bullish and I'm not saying that we're bearish, simply because there's so many mixed signals right now. I mean, we are in a slight uptrend. We are in a bull flag right now, and this bull flag, if we did break out, which I'm not saying that we will, conservative price target is around 59, basically 60 cent. And the bullish target is over here at 62 cents. So like I said, I'm not saying that we are going to break out this bull flag. I'm saying that we are in decision time right now. So the number one cause for concern is that we are now below the 618, which in my opinion is the most important macro level that we need to be above. The second most important level is the 200-day. So obviously you can argue that we are somewhat bullish, but if we do zoom in, I mean, we've broken below this micro trend line that we've been going up since the what was it, the 22nd of Jan, and we are kind of hugging dangerously close to the bottom of this bull flag. So, you know, in my opinion, I would be leaning 60% bearish, 40% bullish until we do make a decision. I do believe, you know, like I said, it's more likely that we're going to break bearish simply because this flag is kind of hugging the bottom of this bull flag for too long now, in my opinion. If we do come over to the Bitcoin dominance has bounced again from the 200-day. So while we are above the 200-day for Bitcoin, then altcoins are going to get decimated against Bitcoin, in my opinion. So I do believe if we took a BTC or a CRO BTC chart, which, you know, I might add to my analysis in the next video, you know, that would be more of like a bear market indicator, just so we have more to look at. But yeah, for now, the number one thing is if we do break below this trend line, this green trend line here, then in my opinion we're going to fall off the table. And it looks like, since I've kind of started recording this video, we're heading more and more down. So, you know, I'm adjusting my 60%. You know what, I'll keep it the same, because you can see that we have had multiple wicks below this before we went back up. So, you know, until we have made a decisive decision, I will not be bullish or bearish on this coin. I'm very neutral. I already hold CRO for my CRO stake for my Visa, so I'm not looking to accumulate any more. If I was looking to accumulate some more, then I would like to see us break above this 618, which is here at 45.3. If we did something like that and I was an avid CRO bull, then I would definitely think about accumulating some there. But if you are looking to accumulate some CRO right now, I would say wait until we make a decision. That is obviously not financial advice, but if we break below this trend line and hit this here again, get rejected and fall off the table, the only level that I see us coming down to is this 200-day moving average, which is a 20% drop, and it is just below 36 cents. So you could also argue we have this target here at the 786 on 41.8, but in my opinion, as we have broken below the 618 here, and as we kind of are breaking below this green support, you know, it was resistance, we flipped it as support now. If we do break below this green support, then, you know, this is the only place I see us coming down to. And that is obviously, you know, not financial advice, it is my own opinion. If we finish off the video with the volume and the RSI is dropping like a rock, really nothing else to say. Got rejected off the 63 and have been having harsh rejection since then. The volume has been downtrending since the 24th of November, which is, you know, kind of why I come over to the BTC dominance every now and then. If you don't know, or you're not really familiar with the BTC dominance, every time Bitcoin breaks above the 200-day, or every time Bitcoin starts, you know, just breaking out and going on a crazy rally, altcoins get decimated against Bitcoin. They get absolutely, you know, shit hits the fan, altcoins go to absolutely disgusting crashes, and you know, Bitcoin may not necessarily be pumping, but the Bitcoin dominance is heading up. But yeah, I mean, to finish off with this video, just to kind of wrap everything up in a neat bow, we are in indecision mode right now. We are about to make a decision. I'd say if we come down to 44 and lose 44, then you know, that is personally it for me. And you know, that's not really far. It's only a 2% drop, not even a 2% drop from where we are now. If we do lose 44, keep an eye on 35 and 36, because that's the only place I see it heading to. So yeah, that's all I'm seeing for Crypto.com. Once again, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Cowboy out. Peace.